Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's debate. I am Jeremy, and I will be your moderator. It is my role to guide the flow of the discussion, make sure that the rules are followed, and ensure that each participant is given a fair chance to speak. Representing the affirmative side, resolve that democratic leadership is better than authoritarian, and the negative side, resolve that democratic is not better than the authoritarian leadership. With that, let us begin with the opening statement from the affirmative side.
Democracy is the best form of government because it is freedom of values.
Autocratic leadership, on the other hand, is more effective in many situations.
No, democratic leadership is the best style because it values participation, teamwork, and shared decision-making.
Democracy may sound good, but too many opinions can cause.
Democratic leadership is better because it values fairness, participation, and respect.
Style is the leader makes decision quickly without waiting for approval or discussion. It's more democratic leadership also prevent abuse of power because decisions are not made by one person.
The idea of democracy sounds nice because all suggestions are heard, but in reality, this is slow and can cause conflict.
Autocratic leadership is better because it provides quick action, strong direction, and discipline, especially in urgent situations. Sometimes one clear voice is better than many.
Thank you to all the debaters for sharing your thoughts and standing firm in your arguments. Each of you has shown effort, preparation, and the courage to defend your side, which made this debate meaningful and worthwhile. This debate has not only been a test of knowledge, but also a respect, reasoning, and the ability to listen and respond with fairness. I hope that through this exchange, you were able to see the importance of looking at issues from different perspectives. As the moderator, it is my honor to officially close today's debate. May the lesson we have gained here guide us to think more critically and communicate more respectfully in the future. This marks the end of our debate. Thank you and congratulations to all the debaters. Welcome to today's debate. I am
Autocratic style is autocratic leadership is democratic leadership autocratic leadership style is more approval. Autocratic leadership style is the leader autocratic style leadership is the leader makes decision making with disagreement.